All right, so I think I'd mentioned earlier with my Galaxie that I was having problems with starter engagement. And I've put this one in. See a little bit of wear. I've only started it a half dozen times, but you can see definitely the metal fines on there. And so this one has one of those quick times bell housings on it. I was going to try to maybe make the holes bigger here, give me a little bit of room to move, but I don't know that that's the problem. Almost starting to think I don't have quite enough depth of engagement, but I'm really looking for some ideas here. I've looked online. Everybody has an opinion. One of the things I will say is it has the QuickTimes bell housing flex plate, which is really made for standard. It's quite a bit thicker than factory. That could be one of my problems. I hope I don't have to change that. Just wondering if there's a way of getting this to have deeper engagement, and if there's a way of checking the alignment on these, because they don't align. You just screw it in and bolt it in, and that's it. So any ideas would be appreciated. Thank you. All right, a bit of an update on my Ford 390 with starter noise. I did a test. First thing I did is I measured about what I needed for length. I need about 1 inch of length of engagement to get into it. And yeah, when I tested it, it goes above that. It goes probably to about 1 1/8 inches. So that's good. I was pretty happy with that. I also didn't make noise. I also did a check. I checked the part number here. It's a 9102-5800, and that actually matches up with the part number for that car. So again, any help would be appreciated. I did find, like I said, a bunch of metal filings in there telling me there's something wearing, but when I look at the teeth on here, it looks good. When I look at the ring gear, it looks good. So I might put it back in, or I might just leave it out and get another one, and see if any of you have any ideas on what else it could be. Like I said, the flex plate seemed to be one, but I'm getting full engagement. It's not binding, like it won't stick on the flex plate. It just makes noise, like a bearing's bad or it's grinding pretty hard. But again, nothing major on there. So yeah, any help would be appreciated. One of the things I've been looking at is maybe one of those mini torque starters, but I think I'd have the same problem, even though I might have a little bit more adjustment on this to be able to move it back and forth. I'd have to know exactly where I'm at, so I don't know if that's going to give me the answer I need anyways. But anyways, time will tell. Any help to be appreciated. Thanks, everybody.